Let A, B, C, D be a 4-digit number where A, B, C and D are distinct natural numbers. A, B, C, D is a 4-digit number and all the digits are distinct. D is the smallest and the maximum value for A is 4. Okay. So A, B, C, D is a 4-digit natural number where D is the smallest and maximum possible value for A is 4. Maximum possible value for this digit is 4. So what are the different values that A can take? And these are distinct natural numbers. So A cannot take 0. So A can take 1, 2, 3 and up till 4. Maximum value A can take is 4. Also we are given B by C is equal to A, or I can write B as a product of 2 digits C into A. Okay. Now then how many different 4-digit numbers are possible? I have to find out how many 4-digit numbers are possible. So I have to make cases now. Taking first case, when I am taking A as 4, I am taking A as 4. In this case, B becomes B is equal to C into 4. Now see, I have to keep the D smallest. So the first value I can give to D is 1. No other number can take value 1, because here if I write C as 1, D has to be the smallest. So I cannot write C as 1. Okay. So from here I can see, if I give smallest number 1 to D, I can write C as next 2. In this case B becomes 8. I cannot give any value greater than 2 to C, because if I write take C as 3, product becomes 12, which is not a single digit, and all these A, B, C, D are single digits. So only one such case is possible with A as 4, C is 2 in that case, and B becomes 8. So this is one such number, 4, 8, 2, 1. All conditions are met. Second case, when I take A as 3, if I take A as 3, B becomes C into 3. Now I cannot give 1 to C, because D has to be the smallest. So the smallest value C can take is 2. First case, 2 into 3 becomes 6. C2 and B6. Second case, can I give 3 to C? No. 3 into 3, or already A is 3 and these are distinct natural number. I cannot give 3 to C. Okay. And I cannot give any value more than 3 to C, because in that case this digit become 2 digit. 4 into 3 is 12. So only one such number is possible in this case also. D is 1, C is 2 and B becomes 6. One such number from this condition. Next, when I take A as 2, if I take A as 2, D has to be 1, only 1. In this case, B becomes C into 2. Now, I cannot write C as 1. I cannot write C as 2 because A is already 2. I can write C as 3. 3 into 2 becomes 6. I can write C as 4. 4 into 2 becomes 8. I cannot take values more than 4, because in that case 5 into 2 becomes 10. So, these two values are possible in these two cases, where first C is 3 and B is 6. Next, when C is 4 and B is 8. So two such numbers are possible. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 2, 4. So answer to this question, how many different 4-digit numbers are possible? 4 such numbers are possible.